Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Jingshah Thngan President ka Jingkyrshan Coal Owners, Miners, Suppliers and Workers Association uba Marshal biam kala Ïaid Sngi hadu mentaka Sngi ka shpauterik jilliu arhajar arpuhenriu halat rimbai dongwa bandawa na sorkar ban pleno yu doyong hakni Sngi ka bashipho lawan Jingkyrshan ki arngut ki MDC Congress kata uba modern by rimbai na khli terchi batba rikut parin na saphai sa snyang hagjinon lang kinongkit kam ka Congress na East Jingkyrshan ban clear riat blong.
War iwa klei tam snapun pau gudi snyango yu plai kandrat buam lang cirupai wa iu ya kanikalat iu yu yu cham tamni ha kanika kam kawa krotam kawa u president yang ka Jingkyrshan Coal Owner Miners and Supplier Workers Association chiemu kanto organika por snyau penpau ya ka Jingkyrshan kawa ratba ka Jingkyrshan kawa pura ya u president yang kanika sen udah chiem ya kanika senjam nei penta u em ka jingket kle ya ka lawai ko pernai yang ki kon ki ti le yang ka jai group yang I woro ko wi snyau le penpau ya ka jing snyau ya ki executive member le ya ki member yang kanika sei woro ka Jingkyrshan Coal Owner Miners and Supplier Worker Association kamjo yaki pajba nong chong nong yang kerilum Jingkyrshan dan naga state yang I woro kawi kiwada mensen koduan sias no ketilang nei benta ketika kam kuarat ba yang ni urang ba saole u kublei kerpang yakini ki perlok kiwan nakalian ke parti yang I nenu uma madon bai rembai umanu MDC yang ka klei turchi ejo puar kamu XCM yang ke Jingkyrshan Autonomous District Council ki block president nadu umanong tu block president yang district president yang ke East Jingkyrshan ma amlang lalu manu block president yang ke Nartiang ma piwal sila block president yang ke Kliriat wakiwi tuan ki party workers ki udah ye pelaj ki puar ki yang pi wi amlang cirup nei ke Sngi cikentin argentin na kaliang kionga kamu MTC hejo puar kamu president yang ke West Jingkyrshan District Congress Committee kuah open power suggestion dewa chia wa nakaliang ke parti kiong I ke Jingkyrshan ke ratba ke Jingkyrshan ke wanadu ke donut ke Jingkyrshan ke wanadu na mensen ya uni ukhenro ya uni urang ba wachem ya kani ke jingba klek hakani ke por ho ma Marshal manu winu perlok uwajo yumaya wanga udia tip I nadu menchwa hai por udang emi ciruk ugisa ke sen balang tip I chami wa manu ubru uwa chlor wa em kemensen wa kit klei nei benta ke jak bru piong I wa em kemensen ku chlor wa yada ya ka hok yang ke jak bru piong I kadgamte artate ni ne da yoi nadu kini ki Sngi ku dadap adu ne pensakhi ki wa emu ya kani kemensen ka wa chenrang ma Marshal ngakawi upangkan mo ya pi dew ong yi kini kentin yu umelung susu tham ju ong mo de tang horang ba keng badon kemen bajuat yu u pila ban ben handre kumno pindra hoi yu ki social media embat yu kdaukti handre nadu mentu Sngi ngakwa ayi kini ki perlok kiwa kedaukti ya uni urang ba uchem ya kini kejeng ba klei nei benta ka im kayap yang I kinong chong chnong apo gani ke jelam Meghalaya siapa kenmo hachwawo kedaukti pi hachwawo kenno pi berkat arsen nei ba uni urang ba de ong hai ni ki kentien ka Jingshah Thngan ka ba klem bu por na ka benta ban pelaj ya udaw ya ka Jingkhang yong moyong nadu kat ar teliki snem katu penjenjar penleng a ko yaki be ki pa yaki nong chong chnong yong I waro mto dukat ku grek moyong ngam to u grek moyong andre cham hai por wadang wai yong moyong ka jing mentoi kawa yo ki nong chong chnong yong I hapo kani ke district lene hapo kani ke state ki yong I ki driver yu ki melan nei tai na i na sapai na sa sniang na mo yao kam ter pusai kon ki dewo wan ki chakini ki thao ku em mo yam an rei katte duk biang ki wan biang chakini ka juk ku arem hab duk ku pam dai u putwat lum yu rep ku ba rep ko biang chalum chawa nei ba ki hali ha tor la umto ki wo biang wo rep wo ki nei benta wo pen imja wo pusai ja ye ki kon ki ti ki yong ki hau arajar kapso hei poro kang yo moyang nagaliang kuyonga hakatu kupuar yo oye kalat wo em haka first hearing ne bentau moyang hei ta dali hei NGT code ngala em hakatu kupuar nagaliang kuyong i kam kasen JSU hakatu kupuar dang so kau presiden thap i ye kelama yang kasing wo ongi lada bakla ke NGT wo rai yu manmi ichala yu sai ke lama yu man kam ke jing persya andre ha tu ko por ha kasin ko nkong ngayo bicar ke NGT yo mo yang chima ko ye ko file no gichino ni tu ko file ongi next hearing to ha ko hati emi ke jing kermen ko scam kam kinong chong wadau bicar biang ki jan dau yo dau lait biang mo yang yu ki yu kan yu imja kinong chong biang andre hadu ne gesni ngakwa upeng kenmu ikui ya ke surga lad i indo lad i khairi lad i le baklai i dong deng sempat ham chim de kawai tapam mi haradang khat ar tli islam yang ni hadu ne gesni mani yu cha chtom yu cha jenjar hadu kate bun ki be ki pa kum yo lat de pelai skor ki kon ki ong ki nei da wom yo kamai la de kar onyi siki yaw ki hat ke jing telak yong ka kamai ke ji kani to ka khandau ka chiep ki ong i ko ha po ka six schedule hei snyao yong umar po khandau to umar yong i kamu de klam kolek yong boy em mi ke jing bakla andre le emi ke jing bakla penbat ye ke jing bakla ke yong i ham i do teli pasi le ba i le em hok i wo em hok i wo kwamai em hok i wo khi ha kani kari ku maya ke yong na ke yong ti mkwa i wo man kam ki nong krong don hi ha kani kari ku maya ke yong na ke yong ti kadang te sachi sen nga em mo ke jing kermen kamu CM yang ke Jingkyrshan Autonomous District Council ong wo daura u ya ke special session wo yatai he to u mo yang hapo ke council ki yang i em mo ke jing kermen u daw yo la i wo yatai pini he nei benta ke jing mentoi le benta wo yo u wai biang ya u mo yang sajisen wo yo biang i u yaki mo yang sajisen kamu ki i hakini ki pause nem ku dem kadok kadwai kini kapor kwa chim ye kapor sachisen e kuble ye kini ku ramba woro ku em hini kamjo ye kiwi tuan ki pelok tu de mensen yoma Marshal biang uhim ye kini kesenja tuan bo ye kajing duai ne benta yoma Marshal ublau em lang u eu chu ye ka bor ke mesin ku yang o Diba tip ba ima Marshal mto ye ki bi ne benta yong pi semen andre ye ki pi ne benta ke im ke yap yong ke chat pru pi ni ewo blai kan rat em lang churubi wa kani ke jing ye ki yong i yuman ko wajok ke jing cha than ko klem bo por yong ma Marshal yuman ko ke luti ba ne benta ke kamai ke ji ya ha kani ke district ko yong i bo ke jing dawa na ke sorka kani untuk ke kam ke kani untuk ke kam kende kani untuk ke kam kena andre ke kam ko ratba ke kam yap ke kam im kata kate dawai na ke sorga na ke MDA government lengba ke jing yakmat yong kwanrat ke sama kau chief minister chim no ye sinjam chi sendon wo chim ye karai wo wai no ya umo yang kenang wa inong chong biong i yutip ni uperkat devi lada ke sarkar encim ko ke jingkek le lada ke sarkar encim kia ga halor ke ni ke benta ngataraya inong chong na waro inong chong i hapo Meghalaya daw emi de gawi tuan karai the session penbori ke sarkar chimno ia karai wud hey to wa ke ni ke benta the section ublai amlang churupi ewa iulai luti yong i na kebenta kini kekam lengba ke jingya luti yong blai e por e mesin cucu yong ni rang ba yong i wa him ye kini ke jing bat le nang wa kini ke thong le ne kini ke jing angut yong i yuman ko ko jong dei ni ke tenu ke section e plelang e pi woro ble spon chi
nong kang da bud ke Jingshah ngo ko kro hado kata ini worok tak ke jing tunjuk ke jing penjia ko dai gerpang do blai wo bo wasna I jing di selang da berkai ya gani gepor no konga na wan je ni man kawina nga cibentana jamu wini ki wa daman veteran haga elected MDC yang gani ke jangil atau City Council you are one hijau pon manula kamu presiden yang ketujuh blok Congress Committee have Legislative Assembly Constituency the jamjo lagi perlu ko ini ku dia wanang ukolik yonga na West Jangil na recruit porin elected MDC na supply saksi hijau por la woman presiden yang District Congress Committee Western Jingkyrshan District. Umano kudu wagi tuan ko no Western Jingkyrshan District ini nado ga BCC hado ga DCC level podium lang kat kamu da yo lang hi wan binne ini. Ta ai ko blai terpang la ya pigi perlok ko man ni press ki media section ki won sop pensapriang yang ni kubar ta ke Jingkyrshan lo ga ni ka Jingshah Thngan yang ni urang ba pro yang I Marshal biam wada boni udara bejo tim mit gai manu wini ki rangba pro rangba wada nam prominent leader yang geni ka Jangkyrshan district yang I cuma nega daun je kuyer tengah senyau ingok kerpang yo blai pi wada MB geni ka stage wada penjo bi I tak geni ka dawa yang ke Jingkyrshan yo mar po kendau wada yo I menchwa worok ki pai ba lo ki kien hado ki he uya ki akan uya gamai ke je le paus nam geti eta no dos nam sejar kendes pa propauso hado nam arjar kaso nado wakang ka honorable NGT wang the National Green Tribunal yuni mo yang apa state Meghalaya yang I dua m kantam apa ni ke Jangkyrshan district yo cibon ye ko I jinge yo fair haga jingya ta wo kurchani ke Jingkyrshan gane haga bigi tuan ki beta ta ai keblai ni perlok ki wajana jinga ki man bai man pa ko yang lang ini wa ya sakhi lang ye gani ka Jingkyrshan yung ine ka step lene ke citang Sngi haga ni tau ai jingya ta wo pensnya wi ya ki cikur yang ki nong chong chnong go ai ma pa gani ka state Meghalaya he wora ko wi tengah haga ni ka por ngasnya geni to khajak ugai lat phi pulam kama keye ko ya to ugi em wa gabar yu wanra ya geni ka ye ko am jinga akhmat yung yu purap pendok jadi ka yuwannya ide ko urap sukrap sani teperlok hawas ki di beruman werok lang hi MI ke lat ke tam guduna tang he kejini ta wo ka khang yo mar pa kandau mo yong wo de yo karhai he ki por le paus na mechwa mba mu jo dia hado man hado kan ni ke Jingkyrshan wo da poi de ki phau to ligisnam ka tu hado ne da khanjo da pala di khat wisnam unta de ka peryot wa kiam os kilo do khang ki san rubnai le ne ha ti snam rong re hado khat wisnam the man by more than 1 decade tegani tok dakta ko yaga yap im yang ikan ginong chong senong kani ko wa ukulam he kini to wagi authority ko hanan I remember in 1984, during that time, they start the coal business in our state in the village of Wapung. During that time, my teenage before 2014, the Honorable National Green Tribunal, NGT, banned and blamed the rat hole mining. The people of Meghalaya have completed 30 years ditch the rat hole running in our state. Since 1989, late Professor Jingshah expressed in the Lok Sabha, kawin ki yung dorbar ko he tam hapo ka rin dia. Kada egi haga yung dorbar yung ka Lok Sabha ka parliament ko hakse tam yung rin dia ang Professor Jingshah, late Professor Jingshah, exemption in the state of Meghalaya like a mini cottage industry. We don't have a single industry in the state of Meghalaya. This the coal mine. We have to compare very similar for the mini cottage industry in the state of Meghalaya. They don't have a single industry. During that time, under the regime of late Rajiv Gandhi as a prime ministership in the country, the last 30 years, the nature have already destroyed by 85%. The rest 15 only left inside the environment. After 2014, banned the coal business and coal transportation from Meghalaya to Assam. Some few people only can do the coal business in our state. That people can do and transport the coal business is the top agent of the political power in both the state, example Meghalaya and Assam. And the rest of 96%, the population in our state have suffered right now, all of them, too much crisis for financial purpose. Some of them, they could not survive their children in a proper way, and some of the family cannot survive their children in a proper and at the same time, they study everywhere in the country, they turn back home. Why? We don't have the financial to invest their children. Some colleges and university everywhere in the country. That is the financial crunch. We live our life in doubt. Some of them hesitate every corner. We live in this earth. So many incidents is happening. Some cases accidentally. The vehicle, the flight crash, the people lost their life. That airport station never stopped, then the flight going and coming, and sometimes the train derail and collapse. That rail route never stop and continue the service to the people. Even some cases, suicide at 5 to 7-star hotel at home, and the people never stop to run the business inside the hotel, and at the same time, then why not coal business in Meghalaya took more than 1 decade or more than 10 years stop. There is no authority can decide to run the coal business as usual the last 30 years. We are enjoy to earn the money from the coal business. The people can earn money right from the bottom up to the top level. Nadok kiwakiam tam, hadok kiwahetam, hagitu bilip house na mechwa. Mines and Mineral Development Regulation Act 1957. Kani khut pika, jo khut short farm pika, MMDR Act. Kani tok kata Mines and Mineral Development Regulation Act 1957. The Mineral Concession Rule 1960. And the Coal Mine Special Provision Act 2015. Udrap janda la suka arjar kasan. The ila wagani government gani, why the present government or the government of the day neglect to do this Special Provision Act 2015. In this regard, the resolution can do. We are having in Chidil area or in the 6th Chidil, we have an autonomous district council, the best institution to preserve the indigenous people in that particular community. We have 3 ADC, Autonomous District Council, and 3 communities, that is Kasi, Jingkyrshan, and Karo communities. We have the power independently. We are the same like the State Assembly and in the Parliament. We have the executive, the legislative, and the judiciary. the council and the autonomous district council can issue the landholding certificate and the patas to the owner or to the individual people and occupy their land. The landowner, not like the rest of the state in the government land. All the state can and transport the coal business, whatever the mining policy or not, or blind method. We never visit the coal mine of the plain area state. I urge the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, that is the government of the day, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Kesama, we all know the MDA government will have to take stand action for opening the coal mine for the general public in the state, that the people will be happy in the state. Some expert will look into the matter seriously. The state government should take heavy responsibility for opening the coal business in our Meghalaya. Once again, I urge both the state and the central government to take step, necessary action, and ensure to opening gate way the coal business as usual the last 30 years in our state. And this matter, I urge again the government to take step at the earliest for reopen the coal business in our state. Whatever your double and triple engine government, I don't have both the team A and team B. Then within this period, I thank to the government side to listen carefully or to take initiative and to frame the policy under the mining policy based MMDR Act. Then will come very soon to the public in Meghalaya for carry on and dig the coal mine, and the business of coal will transport from Meghalaya to the rest of the state in the country. Within this period, I thank to each and everyone. Thank you.